I say Gaza nation world boss do this shit so easy. God believe me, girl no refuse to please we. We no miss a tea we a drink girl people. Watch. You know the general the 10-star one and here me I say no Gaza nation. You know me alone the intro for my review. Any man at all when see I do that a carbon copy. But you know me not there so for really run off my mouth and talk about what me do from what me not do. Because you know from me say Gaza, you know a trendsetter thing. So we set trend for people follow. So here me I say Gaza, you know none of them not tough like me, you know, on YouTube, you know. You hear me I tell you, know, I'm come for bring something to the knowledge, you know. Where they right in front of the eye and you see what I go on. What? You know the general, the 10-star one with our next loud explosion. I see that one here, I go bomb out them heart because them I go wonder how I find out. Watch this na Gaza nation. Uno no see say, from the ear start teacher stick up the whole of dancehall and stick up the whole of MVP. Uno no see that. It come like the man them from borderline know where me I go, know where me I talk when me say. It's like a big mama teacher use and jam down the whole of dancehall. You hear me? Teacher supposed to laugh to blood clot. It's like a big mama. The general use and jam down the whole of dancehall. You hear me I say? Me say from the year start, how much man on the ear about and hear say album for drop. A man in a studio, a show off, I say them a mix album, a man I say album I go drop on them shit there. You see from teacher, you see from the man them announce a teacher album I go drop, everything put on pause. Everything from New Year, everything put on pause until now. Everything. A boy say I want drop him album and when him find out say the teacher TJ them I say well then them have album for drop with the general. A boy say that risky. Say him nah drop that risky. Oh, I'm a tuna Gaza nation. You know me not laugh with it, you know. You know me not easy, you know. High grade me smoke. Me not bun beady. Watch. General 10-star. You know what I mean? Boy no want drop him album and teacher drop him album and flop that and fly in a #1 spot in a ace. You know what I mean? Cause so them man they deal with thing. Moon even say hurry up. I in a ace. Take over #1 spot. You know what I mean? But here what go on right now. The man them hold on pan them album and I wait for see what teacher I go drop and I wait for see what the thing I go look like. You see what I say? I wait I go sound like before them think them can match the shit. So here what go on. You not see the reason why Jamil come challenge say my throw look word pan family. All now you not see Gaza nation. You not hear him say an album him a go drop. Him done with the war. You know see that look a spotlight them did one. And why you think him choose family? All you know dead in a Gaza nation and quiet up you know. You don't even know you know. Around 6 song family have a trend in my brethren. Real talk, you know, different from all them this song business there, you know. A real thing me I tell you, you know, if you think a lollipop thing me I deal with, you know, can go do no research, you know. You know what I mean? All the Tommy Lee and Sean Kingston a big trend, you know. All them show a whole heap of tune the man have a trend, you know. So I'm thinking him could have get look at hype, you know, after that and then go drop him album, you know. But anyway. All when you put on that and run go and deal with album thing, it come like you don't know who you deal with. A Sparta you deal with, you don't have to answer. We go and burn you up. And the song them where we go drop it, I go turn household song. Because between me and the whole of you know, a Tommy Lee run. Dancehall, the underground dancehall, a Tommy Lee run it. You hear that? Tommy Lee run the underground dancehall. I tell you. And Teacher and Popcorn run it internationally. Because you know Popcorn are the most of the flyout and you know what I mean? And most of the big show them, but a Teacher responds to the biggest chart in the biggest chart them in the world. You hear that? A Teacher have the biggest song in a dancehall. from about I go almost 2 years now. Cause from last year fever drop. All know no man can't find nothing for go around that. And then a lollipop thing. You see me I all know the remix they ever drop yet. All my big teachers say if you drop Rihanna upon the remix, drop Riri upon it, or call it and send it to her again. You know what I mean? But you don't know the general, you know. The man they a tactician, you know. You see me I deal with? So you don't know, you know. The man they not go drop it, you know. And draft, you know, body upon it, you know. Unless it's a strategy. No, I should say unless it's a first class move. You know what I mean? Unless it's a first class move. Because you know anything the man the lick out pan a bomb, because the song itself do very well for itself, you know. You can imagine the remix. Boy teacher, I think that is another blood clot goal, you know. You know what I mean? I think that's another goal, and like how the World Cup so in action right now, I feel like the remix there's another goal. You see what I say? Yeah, but anyway, Gaza Nation, that me I say. Me say from the year start, boy want drop them album and feared. Big Mama stick them up. Boy know it's risky. You see what I say? And boy look and fast in a family business. And see say him a trend down the whole place. And try to take him on. And before him claim him a drop album. You know what I mean? And after him come wake up the Sparta General and see when the man ready for him a run and a dodge and a talk about album. No problem, my brother. No problem. We're going to shell you down same way. That's how we deal with things. No stone unturned. A Gaza way we deal with things. No lollipop thing. You know if you know that. Watch. At the general, the 10-star one. And let me tell you something. Most of them where you see come and chat, them not have no script. You know what I mean? As teacher say, if we not shit them, can't them. You see me I deal with? And them want patch up and fix up in a for them own look a unique way. But I laugh with it. Because here we are going. We not come for the hype. We just come for make you know the living truth. And anybody where I listen me and know what go on in a dance hall, you know everything what I just tell you on a lollipop thing. And the real fact my chat. Facts my chat. Me ain't no fucker. Me ain't no illiterate foolishness. No blood clot line business. A facts my chat. Me say from the ear bumbo clot start, how much of them you hear promise the album drop. Tell them drop it now. So why them not drop it then? Why hold it up? January, look how much month one half. February, March, April, look how much month one half. Tell them drop it. Tell them drop it. If you think a lollipop thing. And let me tell you something. Them album now can drop till about October or November. Because I bet you know that. At them time them album can drop. But we not go watch Jamil album because a fucking culture album I drop. I can't a dancehall album. Because if a dancehall album, him can't forget that. You see what I deal with? Not when they come in at the world boss, they near. And the big powerhouse album I go drop. Then tell me something Gaza Nation. Who in the world I go and listen to nothing else? You know talk the truth now? You know what I mean? Talk the truth. Who in the world I go and listen to nothing else? The coming of the world boss and the big powerhouse drop album drop from TJ Record. Tell me who I go and listen to nothing else. You don't know me not deal with lollipop thing, you know. As me say, you know, you know me not easy, you know. I high grade me smoke, me not bun beady, you know. Watch. At the general, the 10-star one. Come load up the thing for make Gaza people know what go on. Say you don't know Gaza around the world. You hear that? And Vybz Kartel on music industry. You see what I deal with? And him son them stand per dominant. You hear that? Watch. Watch.